Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a video with a transparent background from Adobe Premiere Pro. This is super useful if you're working with overlays like subscribe buttons, logos, or lower thirds that you want to place over other footage. Let's get started. First, open the project you want to export. Let's say you're working with a subscribe button template. If you export it without changing any settings, it'll have a solid black background. That means you won't be able to overlay it onto another video without covering up the footage underneath. So instead, we need to export it with transparency. To do that, we'll use the export menu. Go to the top left of Premiere Pro, click on File, hover over Export, and then click Media. This opens up the main export settings window. Now in the export menu, look for the format drop. You need to set the format to QuickTime. That's the file format that supports transparency. After selecting QuickTime, go to the video settings section in the center. Under video codec, choose None. That stands for uncompressed RGB 8-bit, and it's perfect for transparency. You could also try the animation codec if you prefer, but none usually gives great results. Next, scroll down or expand the More tab if you see it. Check the box that says Render at maximum depth. Then go to the Depth drop-down and choose 8bpc plus Alpha. The Alpha channel is what controls transparency, and this option ensures your background stays transparent after export. Once all your settings are ready, click the blue Export button at the bottom right. Premiere Pro will now export your clip as a .mov file with a transparent background. After exporting, you can bring that clip back into Premiere or another video editing software. Drop it onto a timeline above another clip, and you'll see the background is fully transparent. It's only your graphic or animation, like the subscribe button, will be visible, and the video underneath will show through. That's it. You've just learned how to export transparent video from Premiere Pro using QuickTime and Alpha channels. It's an easy way to give your videos a polished, professional look. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.